In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the colour of something within your image. This may be eyes, it may be clothing, it may be sky, but you can change one colour inside an image. So we're going to open our image with File, Open. I'm purposely going to use this one of a sunflower because it's just got a really vivid colour, and we're going to change the colour of the sunflower. We're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and all the way down to Replace Colour. So we're going to make sure we can see, and we're going to use, to begin with, we're going to take a sample of the yellow. So I'm going to click the yellow, and then that sampled it over here. Then I'm going to very gradually slide the slider until I get the sort of colour that I want. And I sort of want that red, I think. I can take the fuzziness down, so you almost end up with like a hybrid sunflower, which I'd sort of quite like, or fully red, whichever you want. I quite like it like that. So I'm quite happy with that. I've changed the colour of my sunflower. I'm going to hit OK. Now I want to try and keep the yellow in the middle, so just the red is. So I'm going to use my history brush here, which is just under the clone tool, and providing you haven't cropped your image in any way, this can be quite useful because you can paint back the colour that was there before. If you've cropped it, you are unable to do this. But this way, I've made the middle yellow and the outside red. There you have a colour replacement tool.